In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Apple Pay without a credit card. So the first thing that you want to do is go to here, your settings, your profile Apple account, get under payment and shipping. So when you are setting up Apple Pay, there will be an option where you don't need to specify a payment type. There'll be the option to select none. As you can see here, there is the option to this will obviously you cannot pay for anything, but you can still go ahead and purchase and download free apps and things that do not require any money to be spent. Also, so we have the option to sign into our PayPal account or a mobile phone. So this is available in the United Kingdom. I do not have a phone number in the United Kingdom currently, but if you did, you'd just put this through and it will allow you to use a credit instead of any money, anything like that. So you can select that, or we can log into our PayPal account here and use PayPal through Apple Pay instead of using a credit card, or we can use any of these, put that in. So yeah, put in your credit card details. I know the whole point of this video is to add one without a credit card or debit card, but if you put this in and then you can upload money onto your PayPal account balance, and then through that you'll be able to pay without using a credit card. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.